Hello, this is Darmisha with These Designs. I'm here. It's been a long time, but I'm here concerning my Cricut Explorer. Having problems. It is not working. Just want to see, have anybody else had this problem with their Cricut Explorer? As you see, the light is on and the power, but when I go hit the button, nothing happens and it's making that sound. And you notice the light went off, but it's making that sound. So can anybody please give me any advice on this? It's making a sound when I hit the power button, so I stopped it again. The green light is on in the cord. So I don't know what the problem is, but I had it for 6 years. I was blessed with this Cricut Explorer from Mary. I can't even remember her YouTube name right now, but I had it for 6 years. I already ordered me a Cricut maker. I was indecisive of what to order next, but the holidays is coming up and I want to be crafty. But if anybody can tell me anything about this before I try to salvage this. Once again, I had it for 6 years and it will not power on. It's just making that sound and the light will not come on here. And as you seen before, the light was on. It's making some sort of sound. Anybody can please let me know what to do and any advice on the delivery of my upcoming Cricut maker. I had to update. I enjoyed this Cricut so much. It have did a lot of things for me, create a lot of projects and gifts for my family. So I'm praying this ain't the end of it, but it's been down for a couple weeks, I noticed. And so anybody please let me know in the Cricut world, what can I do? Can my Cricut be saved? All right, please let me know in the comments. This is a Cricut Explorer. It's the first one that came out, the one that used the adapter on the side. So that's the one it is. All right, please let me know in the comments, have you experienced this problem and can it be resolved? Thank you.